Game projects can take up a lot of space due to the huge assets, and we can ignore some of these assets because they are necessary for our project, like textures, environments, meshes, and a lot of other things. GitHub size limit is around 5 GB and Bitbucket's limit is 4 GB. Now, if you're using Git for collaboration and source control, you need somewhere you can host your repository. And considering that only the environment can take up to 5 GB of data, we need more storage than that. Luckily, Google Drive provides 15 GB of free data per account, and you can use that to store your repositories. Keep in mind though, Google Drive provides 15 GB of overall space, it's not a per project limit. The good thing is, you can pay $2 or euros per month and get 100 GB of storage. That's a pretty solid deal considering that you also get additional benefits with it, like more storage for Google Photos and unlimited Google Meet time and a lot more stuff. So let's host our repository on Google Drive. The first step is to download the Google Drive application. I provided the link for it in the description and you can download it from there, or you can simply just Google Drive application and download it. And once you've installed it for Windows or Mac, you can access it through the tray. Click on the settings icon and head over to the preferences. Once there, select Google Drive from the left column and choose Stream Files. This will keep all the files stored in the cloud but presents you with a virtual folder where you can access and modify these files directly in the cloud. If you open your file manager, you'll see that a new Google Drive is mounted. Open it and create a folder to host your repositories. Enter the folder and open it in a terminal. And to initialize a hosting repo, simply type the command git init --bear. Now copy the path to this remote repo and open up your own project that you want to host, and simply use the command git remote add origin and then in double quotes file : /// that's 3 slashes, and then the path to the repo. Remove the colon in front of the drive letter, and then you can use the push command to push the repo. Now if you already have a repo set up, you can use git remote set -url origin instead of add origin. That way your previous origin will be replaced by the updated origin. Once you've pushed the changes, you can see your repo being uploaded to Google Drive. If you want other users to access this repo as well, simply share the folder with them, and once they've installed Google Drive as well, they can clone using git clone file : // and the path to the folder. And that's how you can use Google Drive to host your repositories. Follow me for more content and be sure to like and subscribe.